Happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. So that means it's another episode of Tech Tip Friday. Today's tip came from a customer question. Customer asked if he could do a standalone Windows 11 install without an internet connection. Well, I got to looking at it, and yes, it's possible, but you need to use Rufus. In other words, download the 25H2 ISO, download Rufus, use Rufus, and strip off all the Microsoft nonsense. And lo and behold, you can get all the way through. It creates an admin account, and you do not need an internet connection to do it. So, hope that helps if you need to install Windows 11 without an internet connection. We've got a good stock of Linux laptops. The Windows stuff keeps flying out the door. We do have a special right now in the HP ZBook. That's a 9th Gen i7 hex core, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 500 gig M.2 with an open N.2 slot. 650 plus tax, 90-day hardware warranty. And then we have some Linux laptops as well. Those start at $100 and max out at $150. So if you need a laptop or a desktop, come on by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and we're back to summer hours, Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, and feel free to check out all our content over on our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.